Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use the AskYourPDF plugin and what are the best use cases for this AskYourPDF ChatGPT plugin and what kind of prompts you can use to activate the AskYourPDF plugin. Right, so as you can see here, the AskYourPDF plugin can be used for plenty of use cases. So you can use it for academic research, business reports, technical manuals, legal documents, books, government documents, medical research, educational material, cookbooks, news article, and here are some great prompts you can use the AskYourPDF plugin with. So how to use this ChatGPT plugin? So first you have to make sure that you are a ChatGPT Plus subscriber, because at this moment only Plus subscribers are able to access third-party plugins in the ChatGPT plugin store. So if you are not a Plus subscriber, you can click on Upgrade to Plus on the left here. If you are a Plus subscriber, you also have to make sure that the plugin's beta features is enabled in your ChatGPT account, and you can check that by clicking on your account name and selecting Settings and selecting Beta Features, and here's where you're gonna see if plugins are turned on for your ChatGPT account. Then you also have to make sure that the plugin is installed in your ChatGPT account. So if you click on New Chat on the left and then select the GPT-4 model, then select plugins from the list. Then if you do not see the plugin installed here, scroll down and click on Plugin Store and then search for the AskYourPDF plugin and install it in your ChatGPT account. By the way, I also have a full tutorial on my website if you want to get more use cases of the AskYourPDF ChatGPT plugin. And if you want to get access to all ChatGPT plugins that are currently available, I have a searchable database that you can also get for absolutely free using the link in the description below. It's a ChatGPT plugin database that I update daily. Right, so how to use this plugin? So here you can see some good prompts for the AskYourPDF ChatGPT plugin. So as you can see, you can summarize PDFs, you can get the conclusion of a PDF document, you can get the main points from a PDF document, you can ask ChatGPT to find any reference to anything in the PDF. So let's see an example. So the example PDF I'm gonna use is the Bitcoin white paper, the official white paper by Satoshi Nakamoto, which is about how Bitcoin works, and it's a really technical paper. So this is a great way to test the knowledge of this AskYourPDF ChatGPT plugin and how it can work with ChatGPT. So all we have to do is get the URL of this PDF document. So currently you cannot upload directly PDFs from your computer. If you want to do that, I have other tutorials on my YouTube channel that show you how to upload PDF from your computer and basically have a conversation with ChatGPT, but you cannot do that inside ChatGPT. You have to use third-party applications for that. But if you want to use ChatGPT directly, then you have to use this AskYourPDF plugin. So copy the URL of the PDF, then all you have to do is click on New Chat, then add the URL of the document you want to use. So let's say we want to get a brief summary of this PDF document. So let's say give me a summary of this PDF document. Don't forget to always select the GPT-4 model and then selecting plugins here, and then make sure that the AskYourPDF plugin is enabled. Alright, so give me a summary of this PDF document, then click on Execute. And when the plugin is activated, you're gonna see a green cell saying that using AskYourPDF ChatGPT plugin. So as you can see, it has fetched the URL and using the content of the PDF document, now it's going to give us a summary. So the PDF you provided is the original Bitcoin white paper by Satoshi Nakamoto. Here's a summary. The paper proposes a peer-to-peer electronic cash system that allows online payments to be sent directly between parties without going through a financial institution. Alright, so this is a good brief summary of the Bitcoin white paper. And then you can also ask questions about certain aspects or certain pages of the PDF document. As I mentioned, I have a tutorial on my website that you can also check out for more examples. And if you want to have a full database of all available ChatGPT plugins with prompts and all that good stuff, then you can also check out the description below to get access to that for absolutely free. But all in all, this is how to use the AskYourPDF ChatGPT plugin to have a conversation with a PDF document, ask questions about a PDF document, or get a brief summary of a PDF document. If you want to learn more about how to use certain ChatGPT plugins, make sure to check out my YouTube channel because I have a ton of tutorials on ChatGPT and ChatGPT plugins.